How to fix overheating on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Battery. After click on Battery, click on Charging options. After click on Charging options, click on Standard. After click on Standard, go back, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on Display and Brightness and click on Dark Mode. After click on Dark Mode, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix overheating on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.